Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have a frontal or closure wig and you want to make it glueless, then this video is definitely for you. This is a step-by-step and an updated elastic band method for glueless wig. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using a 1-inch elastic band, a thread, a straight needle, measuring tape and scissors. So first thing first is to cut your elastic band based on your head or your client's head measurement. So as you can see, I measured 8 inches based on my client's head measurement. So the next step is to cut out the measured part of the elastic band, and when cutting it out, try as much as possible not to cut it wrongly. Cut it exactly the measurement you took, and then go ahead and sew in your elastic band on your wig. So when I started sewing the first part of the elastic band, I did not notice I wasn't filming. It was towards the end I noticed, and then I had to start filming when I noticed. But not to worry, when I'm sewing the second part, you will see exactly how I sewed this first part. I'm going to be repeating exactly what I did when I sewed the first part of the elastic band. So as you can see in the video, before I sewed the band on the wig, I measured half an inch a bit close to the edge of the frontal, and then I used the tailor's chalk to mark it. After that, I placed the band on it and then I started sewing. When sewing your elastic band on your wig, try as much as possible not to sew at the edge of your frontal. You can sew a bit close to the edge of your frontal, but not at the edge. This is very important because you may need to apply gel or glue to secure your wig. If you sew at the edge, you will have issues applying gel or glue in that area. If this video was helpful to you, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more content.